Hi friends, this is Nagesho and welcome to my channel ITbird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to synchronize files between system drive and USB flash drive using a world-class backup and synchronization application, Syncback. You can download this from the link showing in my browser or clicking on the link pasted in this video's description. I have already downloaded and copied onto my desktop. To install this, double click on setup file, run. Please accept the license agreement. Next, and here it is showing the destination location. Keep it as default. Next, click on next. After completing the Syncback free setup wizard, uncheck join the mailing list. Finish. First, we have to create a profile. Click on new and select a name for your profile. Next, and choose the type of profile do you want to create. I want to synchronize my files. Click on next. Click on done. The main profile setter window will now open. This will give you opportunity to make changes to the profile. Okay. Now we need to select a source file which contains the data. Click here and select the folder which contains your data. And after that, select a folder on your removal drive to synchronize with this left folder. Click here. Come to your removal disk, and here I want to create a new folder and select that folder. And here it is showing files will be synchronized between meeting folder and Syncback folder. Files only on left are copied to the right. Files only on right are copied to the left. If an empty directory is only on right, then the decision is automated. Apply. Okay. Would you like to perform a simulator run for this new profile? Yes. And here it is showing the files within the source folder. Now to synchronize the files and folders to the empty folder, please select here. Yes. And after that, click on continue simulation. And here it is showing simulation is successful. And after this, come to your folder in the removal disk. No data copied into this folder. And now please select run. Please click on continue run. Now we will get the same files that are in the source folder. Here I want to delete few files. To restore it back, open Syncback and please select the profile. Again, click on run. It will show the deleted files from the USB that needs to be replaced, and click on continue run. We will get back our deleted files. This will be more useful when we have synchronized thousands of files and to avoid trouble in finding the lost data and save the time to copy the used files. We can also select a schedule for this. Open Syncback and please select schedule. Here there is no schedule for the profile techno. Would you like to create one? Yes. And when do you want the profile to run? And here daily, weekly and monthly. I'm selecting weekly, and please select the start data and time and day, Monday. Okay. And here it is showing the schedule for techno status. The task is ready to run. It is next schedule time. Okay, now it will show the scheduled synchronization. Like this, we can synchronize files between system drive and USB flash drive. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest updated videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.